Hello, horror fans, and welcome back to House of Fun, where it is always fun. And yes, this is the second half of the mini motor off-road video. Unfortunately, as most of you should know by now, my phone is very shit, and decided that it would not upload not upload, but save the entire video in one go. So unfortunately, I have had to split it into two. So I will shut up rambling on, and I will get on with the second part. Have fun watching, guys. Engine all taken apart. The gearbox is off. It is over here. Currently drying because it's now lovely and black. Looks pretty good actually. We have this. The chain guard is all done. I need some more holes put in it, like around here, and then bolted up. I need to do something with the back end of that, but we're going to take this carb off in a minute and get that cleaned up. I'm going to stick you up on the stand, and I will try and find some music to play over the top, because I'm listening to Ren, and if you guys hear that, I will probably get copyright sued, shit, whatever. So yeah, we don't need that, but we have the exhaust is in there at the minute. Oh, the new shock's in there too. Nice and orange. It looks kind of nice in the black frame, to be honest, and it should work better than the other thing because it's collapsed. Like, yeah, all I had to do was give it a shake, and yeah, it separates. You lift the back end up, and the back wheel takes a while to pull up. So it's getting there, peeps. Getting there. It looks nice. It all sprayed up. It looks nice. I can't wait. This thing's going to be cool. I'll take it for a couple of little laps before I give it back. But like I say, I'll get you set up on the stand, and we will get this carb taken off, strip it down, have a quick blow through it, and
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody is awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. Dance the night away when nobody is awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. 2 a.m. and you lost your friends. Pretend I don't know how this night will end. I feel your heartbeat, the DJ plays. Oops, I did it again. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody is awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. Dance the night away when nobody is awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away when nobody is awake. I'll be the last to stay. That's the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away. That's the night away, no matter what they say.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. 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 my feet. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. 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 Wanna drink my wine.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at
And get this engine in, shall we? Let's loosen that off. And now we can rotate that one out. My little wood block is in the way. There we go. And come on. Play ball for me. No, not the right tool, people. A pair of pliers is not a spanner. Right. Let's get this in. There we go. Just line this one up. Come on. It's because I'm being a dick and I'm doing it up this way. If I can just get it to take, it should be okay, but it won't. So screw it. Let's just do the next best thing. Because I don't really want to move this bike around too much and scratch all the paintwork up. There we go, that's number 2 started. Let's get them up so tight. And then that one and that one. Let's get that one started, and then we'll take this one back out because, like an idiot, I still have the sprung washer in my hand, and we want that on the exhaust because these things are very rattly and prone for vibrating your exhaust loose, which is a very good another good idea for having your exhaust brackets on the back end, people. Without them, they just flop around hard. Right, that's pretty much an engine in, peeps. Takes a couple of seconds. Right, I'm going to get it flicked off and get this thing on the floor upside down, and we will carry on doing everything up. I've messed up and forgot to press the record button. I've flipped her upside down. I have done all 3 of the engine mount bolts up on the bottom. I have done the exhaust up. I have double checked the end. I have put the 2 screws in here, pinning in the kill switch line for negatives, positives, whatever, positive, negatives, whatever. That line is now nice and secure. I'm probably going to cable tie it there just to get it out of the way in a little bit. I have relinked the throttle. I corrected 2 mistakes that I made, one being the chain. I forgot to put it on, so I've had to take the swing arm off and drop the swing arm off, push the chain through and put it all back together. And also I messed up, I do not know if you can see it, now we can. Kill switch button, it was actually tucked underneath here, so you'd have to push it from kids need to see it. So we relocated that one just by twisting the cables, the levers and everything round. But it's pretty much there. I keep saying it, but I'm right. I just need to... The original tank mounting was literally just held in the top of this. Yeah, the lid screw pokes through and then you screw the lid on and it holds it all in place. I might try and see if I can make up some mounts and weld some tags on, so when you take the fairing off, the tank stays where it is. I don't know, it might be a bit extra pissing around that I don't need to do, but that is pretty much there. This bike looks pretty good. Like, yeah, this bike looks pretty good. I'm liking it, at least. And I'm gonna get the bloke to come round and have a little look at it and tell me what he thinks and see if we need to spray these or not. I'm gonna see if I can clean this lot up and get rid of this overburden of blue from the previous owner's spraying. I'll just do a little petrol wipe down on it and see what happens. And yeah, I will do that one off the off camera, just because if it messes up, I don't want you seeing it. So yeah, I mean, it's all jokes and laughs, but if it messes up, it messes up. I'll sort something out and we'll just paint it up properly. But I need to tighten up the chain, put the rear chain guard on, and just give it an overall check over. I'll put the tank in there and everything, give it a check, and pretty much tomorrow we can give it a rip, see if she'll start up, run and ride. The clutch looks good. I should have cleaned the clutch housing. I did give it a bit of a wire brushing, but it will burn out, it should be fine. And yeah, a couple more bits and pieces and this will be wrapped up. So guys, I have managed to do a petrol rag wash over the top of these plastics, and I have got rid of all the extra blue. The little pieces that you can see showing, like this here, is just broken. It's like broken off the plastics, the vinyl covering. But both sides cleaned up rather well. I have actually had to take most of this bike apart again because I forgot to do the final clear coat of lacquer. So yeah, I forgot to put that stuff on. It's done now. It's all done. It's all sprayed up, like 90% of it. I didn't take the engine off, so I sprayed around it. I kind of just covered it up and did the best I could. I have bent the brackets underneath here, both sides. I scooped the bottoms out a bit to meet up with the plastic, so they didn't end up cracking any more than this. I could have done it a bit more and stopped that from showing. The other side is a lot better, but I'm not going back into that now. I put the bolt in the back, 2 in the front, the tank's in, all connected back up. I have actually put a bit of 2-stroke oil down the spark plug hole, give her a couple of turnovers just so she's not dry. I put some petrol with a tiny little bit of mix in there, 2-stroke in the carb, and I've had no life out of her, guys. I've had absolutely nothing. I mean, I'll make sure the choke's on and I'll give her another couple of pulls for you, but yeah, that's Napo. So I think it might be down to, hang on, let me get this settled. I think it might be down to my petrol, so I'm going to empty out what's in the carb right now. I'm going to leave it for the moment, and I'll go to the petrol station and get some fuel. See what happens on, sorry, burping, I've just eaten. See what happens on fresh petrol. Hopefully she will start up and run right. I mean, it's looking really bloody nice. So hopefully, guys, it works. I'm praying. So I thought I'd have a little mess around with my carb. make sure that the fuel was getting in, and all that stuff. It might have just been the fact I didn't put enough in the tank. I've literally had dribbles of fuel. So what I've done is there is currently neat petrol in the carb, and we will try this again. Not meant to really do that, but it's not going to be running in here for long if it does run at all. So it's just to find a router. Really? Not even a pop. Really? Not even a pop. Take that choke off. Nope. And I'm depainting it now. So that's a hell no won't go. I think I'll take my carb off again and have a little look through stuff again. Make sure my reeds are clean when they went back in, and a couple of other bits and pieces. But it should run. Guys, it is a different day. It is actually my birthday. So, yay, happy birthday to me. But, yeah, so this thing wouldn't start for the life of me the other night. So I went through everything again. I went through the carb, I checked the compression, everything was good, it was getting fuel, the spark plug was sparking, it looked great, everything just looked fine on it, everything was fine. And I pulled the plug out, and I checked it again, and I grabbed hold of it, and it was weak sauce, it didn't even hurt. So I took the plug out and put a new one in. And she runs, apparently she runs. I haven't tried starting it today, so we'll give her a quick tug. Jokes, tugs. We'll give her a quick little pull, see what happens, see what she does. If she starts up whooping nose. That wasn't actually staged or planned or nothing. That was literal cold start. She did first pull. So yeah, carb is definitely clean, and that is a nice spark plug in there. It's a bit choky. I need to open my door, but the camera is right there, so we'll choke. It's fine. It's not too bad. But yeah, guys, she's actually running, and all I've got left to do is the front mudguard is up there, the carrier for the number plate, the front plate and everything is there. That is not a front mudguard for a mini moto, that is a rear mudguard for a pit bike. Yeah, so I ended up chopping it up, shaving pieces, making it look better. I kind of used my little reciprocating cutting tool to cut a notch in it and feed that bracket in. I'll get you close, let me take you off charge. Right, so yeah, there's a notch in there, and then under the bottom it comes straight through, and we've got another bolt hole, so it's held in two places and bolts up to the bottom of the bike at the front, just underneath that thing. So that will all fit. Eventually, guys, that will fit. Let me get cables out of the way. Right there on them two bolts. The front plate goes on there, and the front mudguard goes in the one underneath the bottom. So I will wait for that lot to dry, and I will show you the end product, guys. But I am so glad it's running. I will try and get you a video of it going down the road, but currently the weather is absolutely dog shit, and I'm having a drink tonight because, like I say, It's my birthday. So yeah, I'm having a drink. I'm probably going to be hanging out my ass tomorrow, and it is 6 days to Christmas right now. So I will probably get a bit of a rollicking from my neighbours for riding this. But to be fair, fuck them, innit? It's my birthday. Here we have the finished bike. I've left that a little bit longer on the bottom of the mud guard there, the chain guard, just because there's a little bolt hanging out the end. It's a kid riding it. That little bit of plastic might save their ankle from getting fluffed up. So yeah, I left that on there. But there is the mud guard and the front plate all on. It looks so much better with that. Like, yeah, you see it before. I would give you a wider view, guys, but my shed ain't wide enough. So there we go. That's the finished bike. But I will get some ride videos done of this at the end. Put them in at the end. But for now, guys, that is it. So if you like this one, leave some comments, leave a like. And if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe. And I will see you next time.